Man, it's a beautiful day. Today's Monday, April 6th. Today, again, I'm going to keep on sanding with 1000 grit sandpaper, wet dry. On the gel coat, bring that back, and it also gets rid of all the grease marks and all the rub marks and everything. It really, I did the one side yesterday, and man, it really came up nice. Hopefully this evening I'm going to be doing the starboard side. I'm sorry, the port side. Alright. Oh, today's Philly's opening day today. And they're probably going to have a shitty year, but who cares? Don't let anybody kid you. This is a pain in the fucking ass. You see it on YouTube and they're like, just sand it down a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of sand, not done. Yeah, come on, join the party. I'm telling you, this is a pain in the ass. Don't let anybody kid you if they say that sanding a boat is easy. It's not. It's time consuming and it's tough on the arms. But the results are well worth it. I mean, my boat, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, not gorgeous, but it looks a lot better. I probably took about 10, 15 years off the boat. It looks that nice. Sandpaper, I got 1000 grit sandpaper. Whatever you buy, I would say double it or triple it, because I didn't even have enough to finish the boat. I still have a little bit more to do, and I went through a lot of sandpaper. So whatever you think is enough, just double it or triple it. So that's about it. I'll show you some after pictures. You saw this already. Well, there you have it. Today, I was able to get the gas tank in, finally. Get it all fiberglassed up. It's not the greatest job, but it'll do. I got the engine running, and she's fired right up on like the second turn of the key. It was great. So what do I have left? Oh, and also I sanded down the one side of the boat, the port side. No, the starboard side. The starboard side. So now I got the. I'm gonna cut that out. So that makes me sound really stupid. And I also sanded the starboard side of the boat with 1000 grit. Ow. So what do I have left? I have the carpets to put down, or the carpet to put down. Put the seats in, redo a little bit of upholstery. The Benini top, I'll order that. That'll come in. And I think that's the last thing I got to order is just the panini top. The panini top. So hopefully the weather holds out tomorrow. It's supposed to. I'll sand the other side, the port side, and wax it all down and buff it up, and hopefully she'll shine, and she'll shine for a few years. Okay, thank you. Also, one other thing. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 days here in Jersey. So I'm going to cover the boat, and because I don't want any water getting in it right now with it being all exposed and everything. Okay, so I have an idea how I'm going to do this. All right, let me do this again. Another thing, it's supposed to rain here in Jersey for the next 3 days, so I'm not going to be working on the boat at all for the next 3 days, but I do want to cover it. So in the winter time, the cover I had, it would droop and sag when it would rain and snow, and it would build up, so it was a pain in the ass. So I think I have a way in my mind that I can rig it up so it looks like a tent maybe. If it works, I'll show you when I'm done. Oh. Looks like my boat took Viagra. That's it. That's what I did. Oh man, I just want to keep it dry inside, that's all.